Hello, everyone. My name is Eric Strong. I'm a clinical assistant professor at Stanford and a practicing hospitalist. Medical education channels on YouTube tend to be relatively quiet over the summer, but today I'm introducing a new video series, Strong Medicine's Intern Crash Course, where I'll discuss the most important things that new interns need to know in order to succeed on the wards. Unlike most of the videos on Strong Medicine, these will assume some basic knowledge to begin with, essentially what one should have learned during medical school. And they are not meant to be comprehensive. So instead of starting here and taking you to here, they're going to start here and take you to here. There will necessarily be a very strong clinical focus. So in other words, if a patient comes into the hospital with X disease, I'll be covering how to recognize it, how to categorize it, and how to treat it over the first couple of days. The diseases we are focusing on will be the most common reasons for admission to an internal medicine service. Things like heart failure, pneumonia, COPD, sepsis, and chest pain, among many others. For most of these diseases, this YouTube channel has additional in-depth videos available if you want to learn more about them. I'll have links to these videos and to relevant review articles from the primary literature in each video description. In addition to the disease-specific videos, there will be a few with tips on how to be an effective intern, like how to call a consult, best practices for family meetings, and top 10 lists of clinical pearls on various topics. An intern's time is a valuable commodity, so I'm anticipating keeping most of these videos under 10 minutes in length, which is just 8 minutes at 1.25 speed. So if you are a new medicine intern or are on your medicine sub-I, I hope you'll enjoy this new series and find it to be useful. If you do, please consider sharing the videos with your fellow interns and classmates.